Let's begin with a deep breath. Exhale down. And let's bring your legs open just a little bit. Begin pushing into circle. Do not bend your knees right now. We're just warming up. So just keep your knees soft. We're just opening up our hip. Keep your hands down, it's okay. Okay, let's turn to the other side. And again, just keep your knees soft. Keep your breath deep all throughout the practice. Okay, come to center and just shake your legs a little bit. Shake them a little bit. All right, take a deep inhale. Exhale. And we're gonna begin opening the legs again. Bend down just a little bit once again. Palms into center. Start on one side as wide as you can, making your circles, your two mummies. Like really engage all the muscles in your core. Feel when it transfers from your abs to your side core, to your back, to your other side. Like really, really feel that. Really widen them. And as you feel warmer, begin to tuck your pelvis more and to lift your butt more as you do those circles. Continue your deep breath as well. Let's switch directions. Once again, remember to feel your core, keep your shoulders relaxed and your upper body straight. Just focusing on the feeling of your core. So 5 more. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take a deep inhale. Exhale. Shake your legs a little bit. And now we're gonna go down a little bit faster. And just big to mommy. Just a little faster. Continue to breathe deeply and to make your circles as wide as possible. And let's switch direction. Keep breathing. Nice and deep breath. Keep that breath flowing. And shake those legs. Take a deep breath. Bring your legs together. We're gonna be pushing into a circle to the side. Just keep your arms open. Wide circle to the side, starting from the front, out, tap. Other side. Your hips as wide as possible. I keep emphasizing so that you don't forget your focus, because all this widening of your tumami is what it's opening your hips for when you do your wharapu, so that your wharapu gets also wide and strong. Let's do 2 more. Good, shake those legs. Deep inhale. And we repeat the same now, starting from the back. We started from the front, now we're gonna start from the back. And you're still doing the whole circle. And continue those deep breaths. We're gonna do 4 more. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, shake those legs. Breathe in, breathe out. Legs together now. Let's bend down and make it more into a wharapu, but slow and gentle. Arms out. Arms up. Still do the whole rotation, okay? Not because we're going slow, make it lazy, no. Still engage all your muscles out. Center. Let's switch direction. And out. Full range of motion of your hips. All the way, use your core. Arms up. Arms out. Center. And shake those legs. Breathe in. Let's speed it up a little bit. And go. Arms out. Up. Out. Center. Out. Up. Out. Center. Shake legs, breathe in. Other side. Go. Arms out. Arms out. Arms out. Center. Arms out. Up. Out. Center. And shake legs, breathe in. Okay, we're gonna do counts of 4, but we're gonna slow down 2 wharapus more into a tumami and 4 at full speed. So it's gonna look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that. Ready? And let's begin. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. I'm gonna be quiet now so you count in your head. Four more sets. Last one. Okay, shake the legs. Breathe in, lift up those knees up. A couple of times. Let's stretch back a little bit because we're gonna continue. Okay, we're gonna do our wharapu here. We're gonna do 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down, and then up. 1, 2, 3. So when we go down, is so that you kind of reset your legs, because sometimes when we are doing wharapu too long, it begins to feel like you can't do it anymore, or your legs are too shaky. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, dip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, dip. The 8 is the dip. Ready? Go. Dip. 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 And dip. Dip. 4 more. Dip. 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 And last one. And dip. Shake them. Breathe in. Good. We're gonna prepare for teki, and just lift up your heels, bend down a little bit into mommy. We're gonna start with mommy. Switch sides. Keep breathing. Okay, shake the legs. Breathe in. There's a piece of floor that's making sound, so I'm gonna move slightly. Okay, so we're gonna be doing 8 counts up, 8 counts bend down. Okay, so let's start with bend down and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, teki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, bend down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, teki. 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, teki. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down. And 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, teki. 1, 3, 4, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, teki. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, teki is the last. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shake legs. Breathe in. Okay, we're gonna do about a minute of it up because I don't have a counter. And let's just go. Make sure you're breathing. And arms out. Make sure that you don't get lazy in your hips. Still do the full circle. Arms up. Okay, breathe in. Take an inhale. And let's stretch. Knees up. Hold it. Hold it as high as you can. Circle your ankle. Deep breaths. Other leg. Squeeze it as high as you can, and once again, circle your ankle. Good, let's bend your leg down. Hold here. Squat as low as you can do. Other leg. And come up. We're gonna open the legs and just let your spine twist. So all the way, keep your knees soft. Okay, now stretch your knee back. Push your knee to the back. Squeeze your heel to your butt. Open your shoulders, open your spine. Other leg. With your heel to your butt and push your knee back. Open your spine, open the shoulders. Good. Open your legs wide, squat down as low as you can, stretching the inside of your thighs. And just move your legs to the sides like this. Gentle movement. Now start making it wider and lift your heels. Get your hands on the floor and squat down. Straighten your legs, forward fold. Grab your ankles, tuck your shin in. Bring your hands to one leg. And now to the other leg. Slowly coming down to center, rolling up. Heel toe your feet. And to center, hands on your hip. stretch over to the side, hold it, bring your other arm and pull gently. Now let's do the other side. Come back to center, deep breath in, exhale, relax your head to the side. Now gentle half circle down to the other side. Now let's bring it back. The other shoulder, back to center. Take one last deep breath. Exhale. Thank you so much for doing this practice with me, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.